मैं तुमसे फिर से मिलूंगी, मगर मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूं। ये पॉसिबल है? ऐसा फील करना।
जिंदगी ने मोड़ लिया कैसा, मैं सोचा नहीं था कभी ऐसा। रुख जिंदगी ने मोड़ लिया कैसा, हमने सोचा नहीं था कभी ऐसा। ओरे पिया, ओरे पिया, अपने करम की बना गए। जब जब तेरे पास मैं आया, एक सुकून मिला, जिसे मैं था भूलता आया, वो वजूद मिला। बातों को तेरी हम भुला न सके, होके जुदा ना जुदा होके, तेरी यादानों बातानों, तेरी यादानों तेरी बातानों असी भुलना पावांगे। सनम तेरी कसम हो, सनम तेरी कसम हो, सनम तेरी कसम। लोगों मौसम के पैमाने रे।
तुमसे एक सवाल पूछते उसका जवाब दीजिए हमको प्लीज। क्या लगते क्या है हम तुम्हारे? कौन है कौन हम? क्या रिश्ता क्या है हम दोनों का?
सोनिए हीरिए तेरी याद आती है, सीने विच धड़कदा है दिल, जान जाती है।
काश मैं तुम्हें बता सकता मैं तुम्हें कितना चाहता हूँ।
बेतहाशा दिल ने तुझको ही चाहा है, हर दुआ में मैंने तुझको ही मांगा है। तेरा जाना जैसे कोई बदुआ,
I love you very very much.
तेरा जाना जैसे कोई बदुआ।
I love you.
ऐ खुदा, ऐ खुदा, जब बना उसका ही बना। ऐ खुदा, ऐ खुदा, जब बना उसका ही बना। तू ही जिंद मेरी है, दिल का करार नहीं। तू ही जिंद मेरी है, दिल का करार। तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, तू आजा तेनू रब दा वास्ता, उड़कदा मैं तेरा रास्ता।
किसको सुनना नहीं चाहती।
कितनी चाहत है दिल में तू जानना, कैसे दिल को समझाए दिल मांगना। संभल जा जरा, फिर मोहब्बत करने चला है।
आंखें खोलता हूँ तो तुम्हें देखना चाहता हूँ, तुम पास नहीं होती तो तुम्हें चारों तरफ महसूस करता हूँ, हर पल हर घड़ी हर वक्त।
सजना तेरी याद सतावे, सजना तेरी याद सतावे, घर आजा माही, घर आजा माही। आता नहीं यकीन क्या से क्या हो गया, किस तरह मैं तुमसे बेवफा हो गया। साफ कर दो, मुझे माफ कर दो, इतना ही कर दो करम।
On the west side, we're going to do it to the east side, and we're going to prove once and for all that all these people talking about an East Coast, West Coast war, they like the Judas was to Jesus. They only here to cause confusion. We here to bring money and to bring change. They here to cause confusion. All these weak rappers, Nas, all these suckers, they battling off of East and West like this is a game. This ain't no game. If this was chess, we'd be yelling checkmate.
They'll never take me alive. I'm getting high with my 4-5. Cocked on these suckers, time to die. Even as a youngster, causing ruckus on the back of the bus. I was a fool all through high school, kicking up dust. But now I'm labeled as a troublemaker. Who can you blame? Smoking weed help me take away the pain. So I'm hopeless, rolling down the freeway, swerving. Don't worry, I'm about to crash upon the curb, cause my vision's blurry. Maybe if they tried to understand me, what should I do? I had to feed my fucking family. What else could I do? Or be a thug? I'm slanging with the homies, fuck hanging with them phonies in the club. Got my mind on danger, never been a stranger to homicide. My city's full of gangbangers and drive-bys. Why do we die at an early age? He was so young, but still a victim of the 12 gauge. My memories of a corpse, mind full of sick thoughts, and I ain't going back to court. So fuck what you thought. I'm drinking Hennessy, running from my enemies. Will I let it be 23? There's so much pain.
I only got shot once because they found the bullet. The police found it, but now they the cops. Now they doing detective work. They found the bullet. Oh, you found the bullet, huh?
They got me mobbing like I'm loped and ready to get my slug on. I load my clip and slip my motherfucking gloves on. I ain't scared to blast on these suckers if they test me. Trust, I got my Glock cop player if they press me. Bust some motherfuckers with a passion, better duck, cause I ain't looking with them. But blasting on my nut and drinking Hennessy and getting high on the lookout for my enemies. Don't wanna die, tell me why, cause the stress is getting major. $1.50 across the face with my razor. What can I do but be a thug until I'm dead and gone? I keep my brain on the game and stay headstrong. These sorry bastards wanna kill me in my sleep. I'm real, they cannot see, and every day is just a struggle. Steady thugging on the streets and I be ballin' low. Don't let them make you worry, keep swinging at these suckers till you buried. I was born and raised hell, a nigga from the gutter, word to mother, I'm touched. I'm kicking dust up, ready to bust. I'm on the scene, steady mugging me. Until they kill me, I'll be living this life. I know you feel me, there's so much pain.
We are the black community, you know, we are a part of the black community. But as far as the lyrics, you can look at lyrics in my album, any album, and I'll pick out lyrics and I'll shut them up on all their points. You can look at my recent album, Me Against the World, the title song, Me Against the World, where it has lines that says like, can you picture my prophecy? Stress in the city, the cops on top of me. The projects is full of bullets, though bodies is dropping. They ain't no stopping me. Constantly moving while making millions. Witnessing killings, leaving dead bodies in abandoned buildings. Can't reach the children cause they illin'. Addicted to killing and the appeal of the cat pilling. Without feeling, but when they last will be blasted. Hard-headed bastard, maybe he'll listen in this casket. Now how does that glorify thug life or gangsterism?
Every time I call her, pistol to my head. They wonder if I'm hellbound. Can't be worse than this, cause I'm in hell now. Pistol to my head. I put the pistol to my head. I put the pistol to my head. They wanna bury me, I'm worried. I'm losing my mind, look down the barrel of my 9 and my vision's blurry. Falling to pieces, am I guilty? I pray to the Lord, but he ignores me, unfortunately, cause I'm guilty. Throw me a miracle, I'm hopeless. I'm choking off marijuana smoke with every token, it's like I'm losing focus. Falling asleep while I'm in service, when will I die? Forever paranoid and nervous because I'm high. Don't mention funerals, I'm stressing and going nutty. And reminisce about the niggas that murdered my buddy. I wonder when will I be happy? Ain't nothing funny. flashbacks of busting caps, anything for money. Where am I going? I discovered. Can't have to say. My next door neighbors having convo with undercovers. Put a surprise in the mailbox. Hope she get it. Happy birthday, bitch. You know you shouldn't have did it. Everybody's dying, I'll be back. Listen to my head, reincarnated as a match. Listen to my head, cause in heaven there's no shortage on cheese. Motherfuckers don't know, man. I put the biscuit to my head, stay in heaven for a baller. Biscuit to my head, every time I call her. Biscuit to my head, they wonder if I'm hellbound. Can't be worse than this, cause I'm in hell now. Biscuit to my head, biscuit to my head, biscuit to my head. I put the biscuit to my head, biscuit to my head. I put the biscuit to my head. Everybody dying in my necks. Who can I trust? Will they be G's and then look at me before they bust? Or will they kill me while I'm sleeping? Shoot to the head while I'm in bed, leaking blood on my satin sheets. Is there heaven for a baller? Getting suspicious of the sister line's busy every time I call her. Nancy's telling me to visit. Who else is home? I check the house before I bone, so we all alone. After another hit the highway, see you later. To all the players watch the flyway, a nigga played her. A bitch is telling all her homies that I can fuck her like no other. Now the mother bitches wanna bone me. I'm under pressure, keep drunk. Somebody help me. I drank a fifth of Hennessy, I don't think it's healthy. I see my enemies, they creeping, don't make me blast. I watch the 5-0s roll and motherfuckers pass by me like they know me. Smiling as they laugh, I put up my middle finger, then I dash. Niggas don't like me cause I'm thuggin', and every day I'm a hustler, looking to get paid. Everybody's dying, I'll be back. Listen to my head, reincarnated as a match. Listen to my head, cause in heaven there's no shortage on cheese. Motherfuckers don't know, man. I put the biscuit to my head, stay in heaven for a baller. Biscuit to my head, every time I call her. Biscuit to my head, they wonder if I'm hellbound. Can't be worse than this, cause I'm in hell now. Biscuit to my head, I put the biscuit to my head. I put the biscuit to my head. They wanna bury me and worry, no need to lie. I pray to God I don't scream when it's time to fry. Nowhere to rest, I'm losing homies. Ain't that a bitch? When I was rich I had clout, now a nigga's lonely. I put the biscuit to my head and say a prayer. I see visions of me dead, Lord are you there? They tell me am I lost cause I'm lonely. I thought I had friends, but in the end a nigga dies lonely. Nowhere to run, I'm in terror, and no one cares. A closed casket at my funeral when no one's there. Is there a future for a killer? I changed my way, but still that don't promise me the next day. So I stay thuggin' with a passion, forever blasting. I'm busting on these motherfuckers in my mask. They wonder if I'm hellbound.